A new feature has been added to the Magic Driller tool, allowing you to set a separate face for drill bit position and a separate face for drilling holes, countersinks or counterbores. For example, now to create a countersink hole for a shelf, simply add the shelf edge face as the drill bit position, and then add the face of the side of the furniture as the drilling face. This allows you to quickly change the position of subsequent shelves while maintaining the same drilling face and avoiding the need to measure the distance from the selected edge. The previous method of using the tool still works the same way. You can select only one face, which will then be set as both the drill bit position face and the drilling face. For custom settings, and to avoid having to select the appropriate screw type from the list each time for creating a countersink hole, select the Keep Custom Settings option. In this case, the settings will be maintained when changing the drill bit position.